Hey guys, on the last video that I did about the Litchi, I got asked a few questions on my Facebook and whatnot about how to become a Litchi beta tester. Well, the answer is you've got to go to flylitchi.com. Then once you're here, you've got to scroll all the way down the bottom of the page. When you eventually get there, you'll see some writing at the bottom, and what you do is you click on the one that says beta. You can see it, newsletter, beta, merch. So click on beta, and then it'll say sign up for beta testing. If you are interested in testing the Litchi features and providing us feedback, please follow the instructions below. To join the Android beta testing, click here. The same link can be used to leave the beta. So there you go. It does say you can join it for the iOS, but unfortunately it's not released as of yet for the DJI Mini 2, and they haven't given a specific date when they will release it. So if you're Android users, you're good to go. It will be going to be released for the iOS. Like I said, they just haven't given a specific date yet. So what you do is you just click on here, click on that there, and it'll take you to the another page. As you can see, I'm already a tester. Welcome to testing beta program. It just says you'll receive an update to Litchi for DJI Mavic Pro Phantom Inspire Spark. If you have already installed it on your phone. If you don't have the Litchi for the DJI Mavic Phantom Inspire Spark, download it in Google Play. So that's what you've got to do first. Go and download it in Google Play. Then it will say uninstall the testing version, uninstall the public version on Google Play. Note, if you can take a few hours before you can download the app's public version. It can take a few hours. So there you go. That is how you become a better tester for the Litchi on the DJI Mavic Mini 2. I'll leave a link in the description below to this web page, where you can just click on it and go straight to it. I'll also leave a link in the description to my last video as well, which was I was trying to do the active track. It's been a bit windy again today, and the wind really did spoil it yesterday. So I want the wind to die down for it to be a nice, decent, clear day. Because the next one I'm going to try and do is do the waypoints, test the waypoints out, and I might actually do another separate video to do another tracking video as well. So all being well, that's going to be good to go in the next few days, hopefully. All right then, guys. I hope you did like this video. If so, please leave a like and a comment. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and yeah, have a good one, guys. Bye for now.